Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day 3 of SQL top 50 questions of Leetcode, right? So today's question is big countries. So we will solve this question, but if you have any other approach, please comment your code, comment your approach into the comment section. This will help many people, right? And once this series will be completed, I'll solve all these 50 questions in pandas as well. So for that, don't forget to subscribe the button. If you like this video, please hit the like button and comment your thought, comment your doubt into the comment section. So let's solve this question. So the today's question is big country, right? We have one table. The table name is world, and there are total 5 columns are there, right? And out of this name is the primary key. I hope you have idea about primary key. Primary key is nothing but the column with unique values, right? So the what we have to do is we have to write a solution to find out the name, population, area of the big country. So how will we identify this country is a big country? So for that we have some condition. So let's read out the condition. A country is a big if it has an area of at least 3 million or it has a population of at least 25 million. So a country will be big country if that country follow either or of these two conditions, any of these two conditions or both conditions. So we could say that yeah, that country is a big country, right? So let's understand the table. So basically we have table and total 5 rows are there, right? And the output, in the output Afghanistan and Algeria is given, right? So why these two countries are there, let's understand. So basically Afghanistan, the population of Afghanistan is more than 25 million, right? And Algeria is more than 25,000, sorry, for 25 million, right? So if any of these two conditions are true, because see, if you could see here, for the Afghanistan area is less than 3 million, but still the Afghanistan is in the output because here the condition is or given, right, not and. So how we could solve this question? Let's try to solve. So select a star from the table name. So the table name is world. Okay. And what we have to do is we have to filter out, right? So how we can filter in the SQL using where clause, right? Where area, right? Area, where area is greater than or equal to 3 million. So I'll copy this one. We have to use or keyword because here or is given, or population is 25 million, right? So let's run and see the output. See, our output is this one, right? Like Afghanistan and Algeria is coming, right? And here the expected output also these two countries are coming, but we have like three extra column, that is continent, area and GDP, right? So basically in the column what we have to keep is we have to keep name, population and area. So that will we will keep only those columns here. So in the output what we have to do is name, right? Name, population and area. Order is important, so don't forget to keep. Let's now run. I hope the code is correct. See, accepted, right? And let's try to submit. See, we are able to beat 82.24% people, right? I hope this helps. If you have any doubt, please comment your doubt in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share among your friends. We will meet soon. Till then, take care. Thank you and bye bye.